It's a little video to show that the TPMS sign, after a little bit of driving, does go off, which is nice. And it's not that it matters when it's there, but yeah, you know, it's nice that it goes away. It's fun, you know, because it comes to life when you want it to, and then it's super refined when you just want to drive around in a nice, big, good-looking Mercedes. This is on the lowest setting as well. That would have 2 red dots on the highest setting and 1 on the medium setting. So we're just kind of cruising along on the lowest setting. And, you know, it's nice.